to start with Noor's house. So this is the setup that I ended up with. I hate how much it takes up all of their houses, but this did get me the quest completed with the output that it needed. And now we have enough small motors. So we just finished delivering everything that we needed to the observatory research to unlock tier 7, which is going to allow us to make the components to fix Toasty. Morgan, you're just in time. I was able to create the blueprint for the batteries we need for Toasty. Only trouble is we're going to need a new type of assembler to manufacture them. Let me know when you'd like to get started on the research for it. Alright, fun. Okay, let's see. Assembler. 4 we already have. Let's see. Ceramic plates we need to see. Stone and quartz. Unfortunately, I do not have a lot of quartz. So that is going to take us quite a minute to do that. So I'm going to put a buffer here. So I can go ahead and start delivering the 500 motors to the observatory. So now we are going to go check on our circuit boards at Michael's house. So I will show you the factory setup in here in case you are having trouble. The filtering splitters really came in handy with this one. So now we have our 500 circuit boards. And our steel beam setup is, whoops, that was a little faster than I meant to. Looks like this. There may be other ways to set these up, but this was the easiest that I could find. Alright, so that's going to give us our 500 steel beams. And I'll go ahead and show you Veronica's house. This was the easiest one to do. Now I could have very easily brought all this back to the factory, but I'm a little low on conveyor belts, so I didn't want to use everything that I had, and honestly, it's not that big a deal for me to go run around and collect everything that I need. Okay, so to assemble the assembler level 4, you need 200 gears, 100 steel beams, 50 circuits, and 50 servos. And once you have assembled it, you're going to place it on top of Toasty. Alright, so we need quite a bit. So to help the lightweight frames produce faster, I'm going to add an additional buffer here to throw more steel frames that direction, which will help to some degree. Okay, let's see. We needed ceramic plates. So we're going to use our synthesizer to get quite a bit of crystals. Unfortunately, I have not automated this yet completely. We still have to load the crystals in by hand, but let's be honest, it would be kind of hard to automate it since the crystals pop up in so many different spots. Okay, so if we need 200 ceramic plates, we need 200 quartz crystals. So we can dump these here, which will get us like 120, and then we'll have to put them back in. So the quartz will then be recycled, which will then go to the buffer. Now, what I could have done, and I didn't really think about it initially, is I could have fed the quartz directly through the synthesizer. So it would just be like a constant rotation. So it would go probably, well, we could do it here. Yeah, we're gonna do it right here. So unfortunately, to get around all of this stuff, we have to kind of take the long way around. I wish I could build a bridge across the river. That would be so amazing. Okay, so we're gonna go the other direction with this. And now it will just circulate. Until it is completely full. Which we could do this with, you know, the rubies, the emeralds, you know, if we wanted to. Quartz is really the main thing we need, but if you're looking to just have something continuously, you know, going around so that it can make you money, you could definitely do that. So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please give us a like and subscribe if you want to see more.